Good morning students. So today we are solving here the questions of single dimension array. So here this is the class name is a rearrange, and there are the array A, integer type, n is the size of the array, position 1 is the insertion position of element, and position 2 is the insertion deletion position of element, and item is the number to be insert. The first function is the void enter that will enter the size of the array elements and display the array elements. Next function is the insert that will input the item number and position of the number to be inserted in this array. Display function will display the array after the insertion, whereas the display to function will display the array after the deletion, and the remove function will take the deletion position and delete a number from the array. And in this question we are not required to write a main function. So here import your java.utility.star for importing a package class rearrange integer of array, and we will not mention the size here, integer n, integer position 1, position 2, and item void enter, and this is the line of the scanner. Enter the size of the array, so we will n equal sc.next, and after that we will mention the size of the array for a. Now enter the n minus 1 element in the array, so the last box will be empty for the insertion. So we require the one box extra in the array. So for I equals 0, I is less than n minus 1, a of I equal sc.next, so the input array is 0 to n minus 1. We are displaying the input array. And here this is the next function for insert. So in this, first we are inserting the insert element and the position for insertion. In this we are shifting the element from the right hand side to end. So till position 1 the all element will be shifted to right hand side, and here on that position a of position 1 equal of item, so this number will be inserted at position 1. And here we are displaying the array after insertion, so I equals 0 and I will be n less than n, and I plus plus system.out.println array of I, and display2 is a function that will display the display the array after the deletion. So here will be the n minus 2. Now this is the function for remove. So first we will enter the position for delete a number, and the position is in the POS2. So this will be I equal POS2. So suppose we are entering a 5, so the value of 5 will be of I. So 6th element will be shift to 5th, and the 7th element will be shift to 6, and so on. So that element will be deleted, and we have already printed here the array after deletion. The next question is a class sort, that is the array of 50 integers. Some of the member functions of the class are as given. Class name is a sort, array is the integers of size of 50, item is the number to be searched, and there is a function for input of 50 numbers without duplication. Void bubble sort is a function for sort the array in ascending order using the bubble sort technique and display, and the next function is the binary search to search an element in this array. If the number is find in this array, then print a message item is found, otherwise print an appropriate message. And here we are also not required the main function. So this is the sort class, integer of array of number integer of 50. Integer is the item for a searching. This is the input function. enter a 50 elements without any duplication. So I equals 0, I is less than 50, I plus plus array of I equal sc dot next int. So in this function we have entered the array, and now this is the function of bubble sort. So here we are writing the coding of bubble sort for sorting the array in ascending order. So yesterday we have explained the coding of bubble sort. So I will be I will be start from 1 till less than 50, because number of passes will be 1 less, so this will not start from the 0. And the second loop will be j equals 0, j is less than 50 minus I, j plus plus. And all this only the j variable will be used. So the second element in the less than to the first element, here will be only j. So we will shift the j to the temp, and the till j position we are inserting a j plus 1, and j plus 1 we are putting the value of temp. So this will be repeatedly, and array will be sorted, and this is the sorted array after vowel sort. And now the binary search, so we required in the binary search, enter the search number in the item, and the low value will be 0 and the high will be 49 and mid will be 0, because the size of the array is 50. So loop we are starting from while is low is less than equal high. First we will calculate the middle value. So if the item is equal to the array of middle value, then we will print the data is found and program will be terminated. But if the search item is less than of array of mid, then high will be mid minus 1, otherwise the low will be mid plus 1. So this will be repeatedly execute till the number is not found, or the value of low is greater than high. So this will exit from the loop and display the appropriate message if the number is not found. So we are printing here the search item is not found. But if the array is found in this array, so we are printing the message data is found.